Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we want to find the value of x such that x does not equal to 0 and x is a member of real number. So let's have it to be solution. So from here, to solve this, we're going to apply the application of Lambert W function. But from here, let's introduce natural log ln to both sides. We have ln of x to the power of x equals ln of 36. Then mind you, when you have ln of p to the power of m equals m times ln of p. So from here, we are going to have this power x times ln of x equals ln of 36. Then let's do something reasonable from here. From the relationship of the exponent and the natural log, when you have exponent e to the power of ln of a, mind you, this equals a because the exponent normally cancel out the natural log. So this tells you that when you have e to the power of ln of x equals x. So we want to replace this expression here. So we are going to have this as, let's have this first, ln of x times. Then instead of writing this x, we are going to have this e to the power of ln of x equals ln of 36. Then mind you, here is the point where we are going to apply the Lambert W function. And here is the reason. The Lambert W function says, Lambert W function says, when you have the Lambert W function of a times e to the power of a, this equals a. So far they are connected with exponents, and provided the base and the power are the same, the output will be either of the power or base. And this also equals as when you have Lambert W function of a times e to the power of Lambert W function of a. And from here, we can actually make this e to the power of Lambert W function as the subject of formula. This will be equals e to the power of Lambert W function will now be equals a over Lambert W function of a. Let us note this formula. So now from here, the next thing we just need to do is to make sure we apply the Lambert W function to the left and to the right hand side. So we're going to have this as Lambert W function of x, ln of x, then e to the power of ln of x equals the Lambert W function of ln of 36. You can see that the base and the power are the same, and that is the reason why we apply Lambert W function. And from the definition, we have a. So from here, we also have ln of x equals the Lambert W function of ln of 36. Now, to eliminate this natural log ln, let's take the exponent of both sides. By taking the exponent of both sides, we have e to the power of e, the exponent to the power of ln equals e to the power of Lambert W function of ln of 36. We told you this normally cancel, and this equals e to the power of Lambert W function of ln of 36. Now, from here, let us now recall from the equation star that we have e to the power of Lambert W function of a, we say equals a over the Lambert W function of a. Now, from here, we have our x now be equals this the making the relationship will be ln of 36 over W Lambert's function of ln of 36. So when you press this in your calculator, in Lambert W function, we are going to have this as, so therefore, this is the value of x, or you can have it as x will be equals e to the power of Lambert W function of ln of 36. They are the same thing.